Hello everyone, it's David Conrad Bach back for another episode of GT Box GTime. Here we have an antique Sessions Mantle clock. It is over 100 years old, and this was actually a gift from a few family members. Thank you. In this video, I will show you the chimes, which goes off on the half hour with a single gong, and the designated number of gongs on the hour. In this video, the clock will be striking 12 o'clock noon. Coming up. Enjoy. And there you have it, a Sessions Mantle clock chiming 12 noon. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on GT Box GTime. Peace out.